The more you snack, the healthier you could be. Did you ever think of it that way? Well, here is such an item today. We will be making a recipe today that is so healthy. It's based out of coconut, dates and few other healthy ingredients that will be so nice for your health and give you a lot of energy, and you can snack them whenever you please. So if you watch till the end of the video, I will also show the nutritional benefits, how to store them, when to eat them and such details. So keep watching. I discuss in this channel foods that do not require any kind of heating most of the times, and I try to retain most of the nutrients and try to make us healthy. That's the whole idea. These coconuts have been peeled off for the skin. You don't have to remove all the times, but then this particular was too mature and they were hard, and therefore I removed them, and they have been washed. I am adding some soft dates. Make sure the dates are soft, otherwise you may have to pre-soften them by soaking them in water. Adding some almonds for some more fats, and adding cinnamon powder. I will provide the exact measurements at the end of the video, so don't worry, you don't have to note it down now. And then most of the foods go well. You add a pinch of salt. Why? Because salt will invigorate the saliva in the mouth, so they make you feel better. We'll process these shortly. I will process them until the almonds are ground, not into fine powder but at least some pieces, and the coconut is well grated as well. Intermittently use the spatula as needed. This is the texture that I was looking for. The coconut should not be ground completely. The fun of coconut is having some bite into it. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? What is good about this particular dish that we have made today? Coconuts are actually seeds of the coconut palm tree. They are not a fruit or a vegetable, and therefore they contain very high amounts of fat. That means high amounts of energy. But coconut also has very important minerals such as manganese, which help the coconut fat to be absorbed in the smaller intestines easily by the body. So it is an extremely good source of energy for human body. It has got good amount of fiber which is insoluble. That means it helps the bowel movement in a big way. Coconut is all in all so healthy, so good for the body that some doctors recommend eating one whole coconut by one person each day. They are so nutritious, you would want to have frequently. Apart from this, we have dates which provide instant energy, and cinnamon has so many medicinal properties It's a very important herb in Ayurveda. So therefore, having this snack anytime you want can be without guilt and you can enjoy all the time. When is a good time to eat this? It's a snack, so pretty much you can have it anytime during the day. But like I said, since it has got large amounts of fats, I would not recommend eating several of these just before night. If you have one of them or two of them in the night, it is fine, but don't go overboard. During the day, you can have it any number of times. How do we store this? How long can it store? Now, this particular dish I made from fresh coconut. That means it will not stay outside for very long. If it is summer season, definitely I would recommend refrigeration. Otherwise, you might be able to leave it outside for a day, not more than that. If you want to store it for longer, you can leave it in the refrigerator easily for 3-4 days. It should be fine, and I'm sure you can consume it much more. Thank you for watching so far. If you have enjoyed watching this video so far, please click on the like button. It is not to please me alone, but because the way YouTube works, if there is more activity on a video by means of either likes or any kind of comments on the video, then YouTube will show this video to others. Otherwise, even when people are searching for some videos, my videos may not be listed in available results for them. So please click on like, comment if you have any questions. I will certainly try to answer them. If people did not have the expensive kitchen equipment that I had, there you go. This awesome.
Very colorful to see and attractive and to taste very good, quite healthy.